جی ملګرو سلامونه فضل الله یم د وایس اف امریکا ډیوه نیویارک نه خبریال او دی وخت کې زه د نیویارک چې کوم مرکزی ښار دی دارالخلافه ده البنې د هغې نه تاسو سره د وایس اف امریکا ډیوه د فیسبوک په دې لایو خپرونه کې شریک یم تاسو ته هرکلی وایم امید لرم چې ملګري به راسره وي دې وخت کې په بورډ کې په کشتۍ کې یم او تاسو اورئ اناونسمنټ او یو ډېر ښکلی وزټ د باندې کوم چکر د باندې لګوم د ډېر د غمونو د مړو شمېرې او تش د مړو خبرې نن د سره صرف په انټرټینمنټ په چکر باندې راوتي یو او ښایو درته چې دلته کې ژوند چې دی واپس خپل هلې ځلې شروع شوي دي او ملګري هم بله ډېر را روان دي تاسو ته هرکلی وایم یو ځل بیا تاسو به نظاره هم خوښه شي ډېر خوند به دې واخلئ او زه هم کوشش کوم چې زه هم د دې چې کوم فضا ده کوم ماحول دی او البنې ښار دی هغې نه تاسو سره نیغ په نیغه په دې خپرونه کې شریک یم تاسو دا اناونسمنټ واورئ بیا خبرې کوو او دا چې کوم تاسو ته زه سین ښیم کوم فضا ده ته ښیم دا وګورئ
They are 2-billion-year-old rivers. One flowing south into the Hudson River and one north into Lake Champlain that sits 2.5 miles below Lake George. After billions of years of ice ages, the mountains on both sides, along with the narrow area, were all worn down. And the mountains are now 1/3 of their original size as they used to be taller than the Rocky Mountains, with the tallest one left being Black Mountain at 2,665 feet tall. The narrow area between the two rivers was worn down, straight rocks, as there's no way for roads, cars, or homes in that 12-mile area, as that's as pristine today as it was back when it was created by the Ice Age. It also houses 130 of our 172 islands. Most of those are camping and picnic islands, and we do have 1,500 campsites, and a lot of them are in that narrow area. That narrow area, being so pristine, is the most beautiful area in the world when it comes to lakes. She's been called the Queen of American Lakes for that narrow area, that 12-mile run. Now, unfortunately, for me to take you there and back, it takes 3.5 hours. So, no, we can't make the trip today. Now, Lake George goes from 35 feet to 200 feet in depth. We're going to average at 65 right at the moment, and then turn it into 100 as soon as we get down here to this island. And we'll be riding around at 100 feet up until the time we get back to the south. There's only one road from this end of the lake to the other. It's on the left-hand side of the boat. This is where your hotels, motels, and mansions are. This is where the foot traffic was. On the other side of the lake, the road only goes up 8 miles before it hits that big mountain range you can see up there, much bigger than the one over here. As there was never a way to get any types of roads in front of the mountains, and there was never any way to get up and over the top. So you literally have to go back out to Fort Ann, up into Whitehall. You go an hour and a half or 40 miles out of your way just to get back up to the lake where it starts again 22 miles from here in what's called Hewlett's Landing. Not having any foot traffic or tourists on that side of the lake left that side of the lake for the locals, the private homes. And this side of the lake, although it has some private homes, does have all of your hotels, motels, and mansions.
نور خبرې سره کوم زما سره به تر چې دی نو د فیسبوک ډیوه د دې خپرونه کې زما سره اوسئ او انجوای کوئ مزې واخلئ خوندونه واخلئ تش د ټینشن او د ډپریشن چې کوم ماحول او وخت تېر شوی دی نو ما وایي چې تاسو ته یو داسې انټرټینمنټ یو داسې ویډیو درکړم چې تاسو ته هم خوند واخلئ موږ ته هم خوند واخلو ما سره اوسئ او ډیره مننه کوم ستاسو د ملګرو چې زما سره کوم په لایو په دې خپرونه کې شریک دي ستاسو ډیره مننه کوم او ډیره مزه واخلئ ډیر فن واخلئ زما سره به اوسئ ښه خبره سره کوم چې کوم ځای کې یو دا اناونسمنټ روان دی نو
The two identical big homes, they're not hotels, are a father and son. The father is a world-class football player in Europe. Of course, we call it soccer, they call it football, with 2 world titles to his name before he retired. The White House in the back of the bay over there would be Mrs. Booth. She came here in 1905. Her parents founded the Salvation Army. And after growing up in the house that founded the Salvation Army, along with working for her parents for years, she was commercially known as Colonel. And when she came here in 1905, she honored her parents, as she so loved their religious conviction and what they did for the poor. She opened the first chapter here in the United States. You know how much it's grown since. The great building over here to your left, Georgia O'Keeffe, the most famous American-born female painter of all time. Her paintings were going to millions, with the most expensive one being $24 million. The house belonging to her in-laws. As when she married her photographer husband, they shared a gallery in New York City. And they would vacation up here from 1926 until she divorced him in 1936. She would move out to New Mexico and not return except for one time, and that was to spread his ashes after he passed away. In 1817, this was the first restaurant on Lake George. That little cove right there, you had a shack there instead of a house. You'd stop in there for some tea and biscuits. Now those are English biscuits, not Grandma's Southern biscuits. Now, these were sugar cookies, because that's what the British call them, biscuits. The yellow house to your left is the Tuttle family today. In 1855, Isaac Tuttle, the first to arrive, would build a house over here with the gazebos on it. He also brought religion with us. He was the bishop of the Episcopal Church, and he would end up, building the St. James Episcopal Church in the village of Lake George, made out of marble and stone, and still here today, and had church services there yesterday. His house, built out of wood, unfortunately we lost years back. We didn't lose the boathouse though. So if you look at this green boathouse coming up on your left, that was Isaac's boathouse. And it sure looks like we should have lost it 30 years ago. But it still seems to keep standing. Although I think it will not. Now as we look out up the lake here, you can see all the big mountains to the right. The road goes up there and makes a right-hand turn to the left. The rest of the front of this mountain. That big tall mountain right there. Drive up the east side of Lake George. Turn left about 3 miles down the road. The road goes back. You go out there up to the parking area and the trail if you want to go hike the top of the mountain. I'll show you 2 other mountains to hike if you go there. Now we're at 100 feet of water right here. As we're looking up the lake, I can see the dome-looking island up there. On the other side of the dome island, you see that big mountain range? It's called the Tongue Mountain. The lake reaches there. That's the southern base, and that's the first 10 miles. Left is 6 miles. That's our largest bay. It's called Northwest Bay. And then go to the right 22 more miles until it goes up to Tycoon Road. It used to fall over the waterfall, so Lake George had heavy rains and heavy storms and water back down the road. As it comes right through, it goes to Champlain. So in 1901, they built electrical mains to provide electricity for back down the road, also restricting how much water could leave the lake at any time, keeping the water level consistent. Keeping back on the road from being flooded, as they only can let out a half an inch of water today without flooding out tight on the road. Now the Indians were here long before the British or the French, and this big island out to my right was their peace island.
Thank you.
As they had 5 tribes in the area and would war with one another and want to make peace, they would simply have a chief roll out to the middle of the lake, setting off smoke signals, inviting the other chiefs to join him. He did it from the middle of the lake so that he could monitor whether a chief was bringing the whole tribe or just one person himself, giving him plenty of time to escape if need be. Now, George Foster Peabody would buy Mr. Price's mansion from him and the 300 acres of land, both homes, in 1980, right after he passed away. It turned out that there was a lot of wives looking for the money, so it took a little while to get the transaction signed. As it seems that Mr. Price could easily get married, but never got divorced. So 5 wives showed up looking for all the money. Cool story. I guess that's why he had a beer boat. Maybe he drank a lot. Anyway, the moral of the story, George Foster Peabody, the most famous man you probably never heard of, and I'll tell you why he's so famous in a minute, but his next door neighbor in Brooklyn came up and he gave the property to build this house, the house with all the chimneys. His name was Edward Shepard. He had graduated college in the
80s. جی ملګرو دې ته ویلی شي لیک جارج دا د نیویارک مرکزي ښار دارالخلافه ورته ویلی شي البنې په هغې کې لیک جارج دی او دا دلته مونږ چې کوم دا بیړی دا کوم شپ دی په دې کې روان یو او یو چکر دی او خوند ترې اخلو او غرض او مقصد مو دا و چې تاسو سره هم چې کوم دا ښکلی مقام دی فضا ده او دا چکر دی دا د تاسو سره هم شریک کړو نو زه چې دی نو تاسو سره ما د کوشش او مقصد هم دا و چې تاسو ته زه وښیم چونکې که تاسو وګورئ نو د کرونا د وجې نه صرف امریکا نیویارک بلکې ټوله نړۍ چې دی هغه په یو لړزان کې مبتلا ده او که تاسو وګورئ نو هر طرف ته مرګونه شمېرې مړي او ټول ډپریشن د دې مرض د لاسه ډېر خلک هم مړه شو او ډېر نقصان او زیان شو د ټولې نړۍ سیاست معیشت چې دی هغه هم په ټپو ولاړ دی ټول کاروبارونه هم په ټپو ولاړ دي ټول ژوند ځواک چې دی هغه هم متاثره شو اغېزمن شوی دی او دغسې مونږ هم د وایس اف امریکا ډیوه زموږ ملګري خبریالان او دغسې زموږ ټم ده نو